Alright guys, happy Halloween. October 31st, last day of October. We are out here in Lawrenceville. Mrs. Jerry and her husband had the sanding crew come out here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday, sand the floors, stain the floors. They went with a unique stain. These floors were pre-finished, some of the floors, and they had a lot of damage where I told them the screen and recoat would not take care of their issues, so they end up going with a full sand all the floors down, stained the floors, and also having the floors UV cured, which I'm doing today. And as you can see guys, these floors came out amazing. They love the floors. Again, with the sanding, it does cost more and it does take more time, but in certain situations the sanding is needed where the screen and recoat would not take care of. But these floors came out amazing. So we just got through UV and curing the finish. Now we're about to head to Roswell and do a job, a screen and recoat. Floors came out amazing guys, beautiful floors. I want to see if I can get some before pictures. Thought I took some. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Very 80s house, man. Very 80s.
Now it looks more modern now.
It does.
It does. It looks really modern.
Can we stand on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So basically you gave it a suntan.